Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Every 13 years. There are two types of cicadas commonly found in large numbers in Illinois. There are dog day or annual cicadas that emerge every year. Periodical cicadas emerge every 13 years in the southern half of Illinois and every 17 years in the northern half of the state. Cicadas are large-bodied and have large compound eyes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chicago's 17-year variety, Brood 13, is coming, too, but not for a few years. For northern Illinois, the next emergence of Brood 13, dubbed the Northern Illinois Brood, will be in summer 2024. Data shows they were last out in 2007. Credit: Katie Dana cicada shells at Burns Field Park in Hinsdale in 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.